I'm gasping for a vacay, so let's get ready for those tan lines in the relaxing sun while listening to the sound of the waves, sand beneath my feet. But wait, I'm in Britain, and you know what the British weather can be like. But we can only dream, or we can use the new Mrs. Hinch range, Vacay Vibes. So I'm using the Vacay Scent Booster for a long-lasting scent, lasts up to 12 weeks of freshness. Then I'll be throwing in a washing pod for those tough stains with built-in Lenore softener. For that extra freshness like it's been drying in the sun, I'll go with the Lenore Outdoorable to mimic those vacay vibes, even if the British weather takes over.